Vero, your playgroup teacher. Okay, today we will learn about phonics. It's letter sound W. It's letter sound W. This is the story of letter sound W. In Aesop's fable, the west wind and the sun argue about who is the strongest. The wind says, "See that man! I will blow so hard that his coat come out." He blows and blows, wah, 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 but the man holds on to his warm coat. The sun smiles and starts to shine. The man gets hotter and hotter until he takes off his coat. "I win," says the sun. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you how to say this letter sound. It's letter sound W. It's letter sound W. This is letter sound W. And this one, how you write letter sound W. Letter sound W. And how you write letter sound W. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now I will show you the action of letter sound W. You put your hands here and then open, close while you're saying W, pretending that you are a wind. W, W, W. Can you do that? W, W, W. Okay, Rainbow Kids, this is the things that start with letter sound W. First, we have whale, whale, and then wolf. The next one, we have window. And the last one, we have wind. Whale, wolf, window, and wind. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's listen to the song of letter sound W. Let's go, music.
I see the clouds moving, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending, whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong.
Okay, one more time.
I see the clouds moving, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the kites flying, whoa, whoa, whoa. I see the trees bending, whoa, whoa, whoa. The wind is blowing strong.
Good job, Rainbow Kids. Okay, Rainbow Kids, now let's redo this worksheet. Letter sound W. First, look at here. In the alphabet, we can find W is here. Okay, almost the last letter. Next, trace the letter sound W. Okay, we trace it together. Start from top to bottom. It's like a zigzag. Go up again, go down again, and go up again. It's easy, right? Don't forget to hold your pencil properly. Up, down, up again, and down again, and up again. Okay? Okay, now let's color the letter sound W. W for whale. W is for whale. I will choose blue for the letter. Okay, and then I will choose gray for the wave. Okay, next is circle the letter sound W. What we need to do is find the letter that look like this. Okay, let's look like this. Okay, where is the letter sound W? Here, let's we give circle. And next, hop, hop, hop. Yeah, it's look like this, right? Let's we give circle. And then the last one, this one, it's look like this. It's letter sound W. Give circle. Finish. Okay, Rainbow Kids, that's all about letter sound W. Let's meet again in my next video. Bye bye.